In this video, we're going to talk about how to identify and dispute common credit report errors. Identifying and disputing these errors can help improve your credit score. One common error I see is inconsistent payment history. Here's an example. Imagine your payment history chart and it shows December is current, but January says that you're 90 days late. How can you be current one month and 90 days late the next month? It doesn't make any sense. When you write your dispute letter, you want to make sure to include all relevant account information and clearly question the error. For example, you can write, in December of 2022, my account was marked as current, but in January of 2021, it was marked as 90 days late. Can you verify how this is possible and provide the accurate payment information? By questioning the error, you put the burden of proof on the credit bureau to investigate and verify the information. And they just can't take your word for it. They must look into it. Send a dispute letter via certified mail to ensure it is received and track its progress. This step is crucial because you will have proof that you sent the dispute and when it was received. Keep copies of all your correspondence, including your credit report, the dispute letter, and any responses from the credit bureaus. Another common issue is missing data. For example, your report shows you were current and then 90 days late, but then there's no data for a few months after that. And suddenly it says you're 150 days late. In your dispute letter, you can write, my report shows that I was current in March of 2021 and then 30 days late in April of 2021, but there's no data for May, June, or July of 2021. Can you verify the missing information or explain why this data is not available? By questioning the missing data, you force the credit bureau to investigate and either fill in the gaps or correct the information. Highlight how missing data can negatively impact your credit score and your ability to manage your credit responsibly. This emphasizes the importance of a thorough investigation. Now, the third error that is common involves debt buyers. So here's how it usually works out. Let's say Portfolio Recovery bought a debt from Synchrony Bank, which was originally a Lowe's account. Sometimes both Synchrony and Portfolio will be on your report. Now that's fine, as long as only Portfolio has the balance. If Portfolio says they got the account in January of 2020, but Synchrony shows a charge off in February of 2020, that's impossible. Synchrony can't charge off an account that has already been sold. When disputing, provide clear documentation showing the dates and the conflicting information. For example, you can write, Portfolio Recovery reported that they acquired the account in January of 2020, but Synchrony Bank reported a charge-off in February of 2020. Can you clarify how Synchrony could charge off an account that was already sold? By asking for clarification, you compel the credit bureau and the creditor to provide proof or correct the error. Emphasize that accurate reporting is essential for both the original creditor and the debt buyer. They must ensure the records align correctly. So some general tips when disputing. You want to be very specific. So when you write your dispute letters, be specific about the error and provide any supporting documentation. Next is you want to follow up. If you don't receive a response within 30 days, just follow up with the credit bureau. They are required to investigate disputes within this time frame. Also, you want to use certified mail. So always send your disputes via certified mail and keep copies of everything for your records. And then lastly, you want to stay organized. You want to keep a file with all your credit report, dispute letters, responses, and any other related documents. So as a recap, keep an eye out for these very common errors: inconsistent payment history, missing data, and debt buyer errors. By identifying and disputing these errors, you can improve your credit score. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions you may have, and I'll see you on the next video.